Getting paid on a weekly basis is so much better than getting paid on a monthly basis. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things. 1, 10 companies that pays you weekly. 2, 3 tips on how to budget your weekly pay. And 3 side hustle ideas that you can leverage to increase your income every single week. This video is going to be jam-packed with great information, so you should definitely stick around until the very end so you don't miss out on a single tip. Let's get started. The first company that's going to pay you on a weekly basis is called Call Center QA. Now, this is a very fun job. All you need to do is to do mystery shopping over the phone, and you will be getting $5 per call. You will receive your payments weekly via PayPal. They also have other openings as well. Feel free to apply to these roles. The next company is VeriFast. You need to help their customers with newspaper subscriptions, so you can easily earn $200 per week here. This is more of a side hustle idea, but this is what you can earn on a weekly basis. They will pay you through direct bank account deposit or through PayPal. Now, the next one is Meritz Research. You need to conduct interviews via telephone, and you will be paid $10 per hour for doing so. You will be getting paid every single week via bank deposit or PayPal. It doesn't matter. You can choose between the two. They also have other openings as well. You can go ahead and apply quickly before these positions are filled. Now, the next one I spoke about already in one of my videos. It's called Acolate Support. Now, with this one, it's very good. You can work on a flexible schedule, meaning you can set the time when you want to work. It's not a strict 9 to 5. You can actually schedule 5 hours per day, 10 hours per day, 12 hours per day, 8 hours per day. With this one, I really love this one because you are going to be an independent contractor with Acolate Support. And the best part is that you will be getting your pay on a weekly basis. You will be getting around $7 to $9 per hour. Typically, they pay directly to your bank account or through PayPal. Now, the next company is called A Better Call. They look for experienced customer service agents. So if you have experience in this area, maybe 1 or 2 years, maybe 3 or 4 years, that will be good. All you will be doing is B2B telemarketing for them. They will offer you $20 per hour for this job. The next company that will pay you on a weekly basis is going to be Blue Zebra. Now, all you will be doing here is to set appointments over the phone, and you will be earning from $15 to $25 per hour plus commissions doing so. Now, they will pay you directly to your bank account or to your PayPal account. Now, the next company is called Needle or Third Channel. This is a chat agent job. Here, it only requires you to work from home, and you can place calls to help their customers and earn $10 per hour. Payments are typically made every week through PayPal or direct deposit. Now, go ahead and apply to these companies, guys. And remember, if you're liking this video so far, give me a thumbs up. One way how you can support my channel is by liking my video and subscribing and commenting down below which one of these companies you will be applying to. Now, the very next company that will pay you on a weekly basis is called Weat. Now, with Weat, you can earn $8 per hour by working as a collection agent from home. So, you know, a collection agent will call persons if they have debt, and they will try to use techniques and strategies to get you to pay them over the phone. Any amount that you can pay, that is what you will be doing with Weat. You will be getting paid directly to your bank account. There is an option also to get paid via PayPal as well. Now, Bloomsday is a very unique one. All you will be doing, guys, is to order flowers for people over the phone, and this job will pay you $15 to $24 per hour for doing so. All you have to do is to take the orders on a daily basis and place the orders for them, put it in the system so that they can get their flowers sent out. They typically pay every single week, and you will be getting your pay through PayPal or directly to your bank account. Now, the final one is called City Twist. Now, this job is similar to that of Blue Zebra, where you can earn $12 per hour. And remember, all you will be doing is to set appointments over the phone. So if you have appointments set getting experience, guys, go ahead and apply to these jobs. They are actively hiring right now. Do not miss out on this wonderful opportunity to get your pay on a weekly basis. This way, guys, you will never run out of money because every single week you will be getting fresh money in your bank account. So now that you have applied to these companies and you're now working on a weekly basis and you're getting your pay, I'm going to share with you 3 budgeting tips. The very first one is to mark out your paydays on a calendar and detail how much you will be paid. So you can use a very basic calendar like the one on your phone or a spreadsheet in Excel to do so. Step 2, write down what days your expenses are due. This could include mortgage or rent payments, your phone bill, car payments, internet utilities and tax, insurance, and other monthly subscriptions that you might have. And do not forget to treat yourself. You can now allocate a portion of each week's pay to those bills. Now, I noticed that a lot of financial gurus out there will quickly tell you to cut spending when you're budgeting. Personally, I hate that advice. Instead, I will encourage persons to find ways to increase your income. So in this next section, guys, I'm going to share with you 3 side hustle ideas where you can get started. Now, the first side hustle idea is proofreading could be the right side hustle for you to increase your income. Here are 3 places that you can find entry-level proofreading jobs. First one, SmartBrief, Grammarly, and Editor World. Now, this next side hustle requires you to be passionate and confident in your voice. I am talking about becoming a part-time voiceover artist. A full-time voiceover artist actually makes around $65,000 per year. So a part-time voiceover artist are making around $30,000 per year. So this is entry level, guys. Not to worry, you do not need any experience with this. 3 places to find voiceover gigs are Voice123, Filmless, and Voices.com. Now, if you are a fast typer and good at dictating, then you should consider becoming a part-time transcriptionist. 3 places to find the entry-level transcription jobs are Way with Words, Tigerfish, and Hollywood Transcription. Well, there you have it, guys. 10 companies that pays you weekly, 3 budgeting tips, and 3 side hustles to increase your income. Now, if you found value in this content, then show your appreciation and support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my video. Click the link also in the description to find more ways on making money. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and until next time, guys, stay blessed.